Alright guys, I finally finished the cavalry carbine. Well, most of the way. I got some work to do on the rear sight still. But I think it's looking pretty nice. Man, it looks so much better than it did when I got it. It was just a wreck. And now it looks much better. This is a replacement butt plate that RTI sent me because the first one was missing the trapdoor. The screw for the trapdoor spring was broken off inside of it, and the trapdoor spring was gone. And then this button here that releases the rear sight was not on it, and they sent me a replacement one, but I have no idea how that attaches. There's no threads on here. There's just a little ledge, and so that fits on there, but it doesn't stay. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to like epoxy that on somehow, because I don't have any way to get up in there and peen it out like I'm assuming it might have been. I really don't know. If anybody knows, please tell me. I had to make a screwdriver bit for this part here, because you need like a split bit. So I had to grind that out, but it's decently smooth for a Carcano. I've never had any of them that really were too awfully smooth, but this one isn't bad. But I'm real happy with it. It was a lot of work, but it is worth it. It looks nice. So if anybody knows how to attach this stupid thing, please let me know. And eventually I am going to try to get this rear sight base off. But for now, nothing I have will get it. So I'm going to wait for that impact driver and combine it maybe with some heat. I already tried Croil and all that. It's such a small slot that you can only use really tiny screwdriver tips, and they just can't handle that much torque. I don't care what brand they are, they're gonna break or bend. So that's it. Looking pretty nice, especially compared to what it was. The magazine base is pretty ugly, with some pitting that are little speckles of no finish now, but overall I like it. I like how the stock turned out. I didn't sand it at all. I just stripped it and put the oil on it and then some of the Renaissance wax. So that's it. Thanks for watching.